Assalamualaikum guys. This is poha. Is typical of Indian beaten rice. Is need to soak in the water for a while, then strain, then become soft like this, guys. So prepare it, then keep aside. I have a chop of tomato here, sliced garlic, chop onion, chop green chili, this is cumin seeds and mustard seeds. Like this, guys. And I have turmeric powders, salt and sugar. I have roasted peanut. Don't forget curry leaves. This is Chef Praveen, Indian chef from Mumbai, Maharashtra. Will perform to make poha. Okay, heat the wok. Put a little bit oil. Then put curry leaf first, guys. Now the aroma of curry leaves, we can smell it. Then put the cumin and mustard seed. This combination is you can smell of the mustard seed. Then now is garlic slice. Saute until the aroma is smells good. Then put green chili chop, onion chop, saute, keep stirring. Then put sugar and salt. Turmeric powder. Tomato. Keep stirring. Then put a little warm water, guys. Yes, so little bit liquid. Then is the poha ready to get inside. This is poha. Now we put poha inside. Poha is typical of beaten rice, Indian beaten rice, guys. Keep stirring. This dish, guys, from the South India. Normally they eat this one at the breakfast time. Now keep stirring. Now the last one is peanut. Okay, you taste. Okay, need more sugar and salt, guys. Yes, now our poha is almost ready. Now we are plating like this in the small plate. Then put on the top coriander leaf, chopped coriander leaf. Wow, smells good, Chef Pravin. Chef Pravin, good job, thank you. Our poha is ready, guys. Now ready to eat. This poha is an Indian dish usually served at the breakfast time. Thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment. See you in the next video. Ma salama.